Hi, everyone. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus. We're starting off with a look at the Rose Festival for Saturday. Of course, the parade is Saturday morning, and then we've got the Queen's Tea in the afternoon. And then tomorrow night, it's Movie in the Park at Bergfeld Park at 7 p.m. Temperatures are going to be quite warm all day long. In fact, this is pretty pleasant. Even lining up for the parade, it'll be around 72 degrees. By the time we get the Queen's Tea underway at 1 p.m., it's 87 with mostly sunny skies and a bit of a breeze out of the south to southwest at 10 to 20 miles an hour. And that should make for a really nice night for the Movie in the Park. No rain during the Rose Festival on Saturday. Saturday's sunset, by the way, is at 6:48. All right, rainfall reports. Let's talk about these. Something interesting happened over the last couple of days. There were some thunderstorms Wednesday night, and they did clip Longview and provided about 3/10 of an inch. And Lufkin picked up 0.04 of an inch, and that was the first rain of the month. And in many instances, it was the first rain in about 34, 35 days in Longview and almost 39 days at Lufkin. When you compare it to the October averages, it's about 1.5 inches to 1.75 inches below average. And for the year, those rainfall deficits are running on the plus of 9 inches below average. So all over, it has been especially dry. Now, we have some chances for rain over the weekend. So we'll start this Saturday afternoon at 4 o'clock. 88 to about 91, southerly winds, few clouds out there. We'll call it partly cloudy. So it's a nice Saturday for fishing, boating, biking, running, just hanging out in the park, really running errands, whatever you're doing. Outside work, outdoor work, bringing something outside to cut for some inside work that you're doing, perhaps remodeling or something like that. No worries about rain. Sunday, different story. Sunday morning, we've got rain showers at about 7:30 moving towards Sulphur Springs and Emory. And they continue to move with a frontal boundary and a little upper level rainmaker that's going to be moving through the area. And as that moves closer to us, it's weakening, but it's interacting with the boundary. And so there are chances for rain, showers, and thunderstorms anywhere from Emory to Canton down to Jacksonville, heavier at Nacogdoches. And this is Sunday at 4 p.m. I don't expect severe weather. You will notice the north wind, and you'll notice the heavier rain is behind the front. And how do we know that? Well, we have north winds here. We have southerly winds by Lufkin. So the heaviest rain is behind the front. Anytime showers form behind a front, they tend to be elevated. And if they're elevated, they're not surface-based, and they have a harder time producing any kind of strong wind. Sometimes, hail up to about a nickel or quarter, something like that. Can't rule that out, but I'm not too sure about that's going to definitely happen Sunday morning, but that's a possibility. Sunday evening, rain kind of scatters out a little bit. Temperatures are in the upper 60s. Here comes that wave of energy in from the west, and so the rain showers are with us again early Monday. And then Monday afternoon, because of the cloud cover, we're not getting out of the upper 60s for highs. All right, forecast for tonight looks like this. 62 in Pittsburgh and Mount Pleasant under a moonlit sky. We'll see a few clouds around Jacksonville and Palestine and lows in the mid-60s. It'll be warmer at Tyler and a little cooler over in Longview. At Nacogdoches, upper 50s. Crockett also upper 50s with a few clouds mixed in with the moon and the stars. 10-day temperature trend here, and it's a V shape. Look at that. We're in the 60s. Next couple days, we drop into the 40s, 30s. This is the coolest temperature we've had in quite some time, just 4 degrees away from the record low. Then we come out of that, slow climb, back into the low 60s by the time we get to about the 24th of October. But I got to tell you, there's another frontal boundary that's showing up right around this time, and so that'll probably knock the temperatures back down again and bring us a chance of rain on around the 24th of October. All right, weekend rain chances are tied to this storm system. The Sunday, Monday chance tied to this low pressure area out in the Pacific, slow mover, but what it does is it's now providing a pipeline of moisture across Mexico into West Texas that will stream into East Texas as we get into Saturday night and especially during the day Sunday. That is what it looks like. This is a potent upper level weather maker, but it will stretch and weaken and sort of lose its intensity as it makes its way across New Mexico. You can see just how the spin in that is starting to shear out and spread across most of West Texas. So interacting with the front brings us rain, severe weather threat lower because that upper level low pressure area begins to weaken. Umbrella cast, we're looking at no chance of rain Saturday, but a 70% to 80% chance of rain Sunday to a 40% chance of rain Monday morning, and then it'll clear on out. All right, latest rainfall forecast. We're talking about 1/100 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch across parts of East Texas. You've got heavier rainfall back here to the northwest. Some areas, I kind of doubt this a little bit. I think we'll see some rain across deep East Texas with that wave, but there is some data coming out trying to pull back from any type of rain over deep East Texas. We'll see exactly how that plays out. But, you know, this kind of makes sense. You got that upper low moving into the Dallas-Fort Worth area north of Interstate 30 and then weakening. But I still think we can have some rain showers across the area. All right, another concern will be the gusty or breezy southwest winds on Saturday. So why are we concerned about that? Well, with the humidity also on the low side Saturday, this could set us up for at least increased fire danger. And then maybe by next Wednesday and Thursday, the air is very dry again, and we'll have breezy north winds. All right, so here's forecast fire danger for Saturday. Smith County, very high. Mount Pleasant, Jefferson, Emory, also in that very high category. We've got a high category in the areas in yellow from Nacogdoches to Carthage to Henderson to Jacksonville to Athens. And then the areas in blue are in that moderate category. Saturday, hour by hour. 87 as we get into the afternoon. We're into the low 90s with increasing clouds between 3 and 4 o'clock. But again, dry, like we talked about. Anything you have planned outside should be great. No worries there. South winds will be sustained 10 to 15. It'll start to slowly cool in the other direction. Still upper 80s by 6 p.m. 84, we are partly cloudy at 7 o'clock, so not too shabby. All right, high temperatures tomorrow. Let's go across the counties. We'll start off with our northern counties near Interstate 30. Mount Pleasant around 91, Pittsburgh around 91, and Sulphur Springs around 91 with mostly sunny skies. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy across our central county. So from Wood to Upshur County, highs are anywhere from 92 at Mineola to 91 at Gilmer. 91 in Athens and Tyler and Longview, and then 91 also over at Carthage in Panola County under mostly sunny skies. Partly cloudy at Jacksonville, 92. Palestine, mostly sunny, 93. Southern counties in deep East Texas, lower 90s at Lufkin and Nacogdoches, mostly sunny there, mostly sunny at Crockett, also mostly sunny as you head up toward Alto, and also mostly sunny over towards Center, Hemp Hill, sunny and 90. Here's the Baylor Scott and White Texas Spine and Joint Hospital 10-day forecast. So a hot day Saturday, partly cloudy and breezy. Rain likely Sunday, 70% chance. There's a morning chance of rain Monday, but it's cloudy most of the day, northeast winds, and so it should be rather cool. 68 Monday afternoon, dipping to 46 Tuesday morning, 64 Tuesday afternoon, then down to 38 Wednesday morning. We're up to 66 Wednesday afternoon. 78 on Thursday, lower 80s return Friday and Saturday, and then we have another frontal boundary around the 24th of the month bringing us a chance of rain. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus and have a great weekend.